Hello to the best audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make some banana pancakes, for which we need, of course, 2 bananas, 2 eggs, a little bit of sugar, and cinnamon. For the beginning, all you have to do is start with squeezing the bananas and adding to it the 2 eggs. This is a very easy recipe and a fast recipe, and it will ensure that you are having the best breakfast, the best beginning of the day. So go on and just do that. Add the sugar and the cinnamon to this mixture, and let's go on and mix all of these ingredients together very properly. And whenever done, you will need just to turn on the gas and put some olive oil into the pan and make some pancakes, add it little by little and start cooking them. Whenever you are done with all of them, you can put them all together and then add a little bit glaze or honey or any other sweet sauce that you will think will go good with this, that you like mostly, and start the breakfast with this. This is amazing. We hope you will like it. Good appetite.